Okay, so the time now is 4:38 p.m. November 2024. I've taken off all the covers from the unit. You can see right here on external inspection. I don't know what would cause this. It's interesting. Take a look at the inside here. There's lots of dust buildup. Oh, that's my hand. Lots of dust buildup. I don't understand what that dust means. Okay. I don't know if the pattern will indicate anything. This looks like overheating here. Okay. And there isn't anything underneath the lid. So here you can see the components here. You can see how dirty it is on the inside, on the bottom. There's no sign of mouse droppings. Not that I can think of. It doesn't look like it. Now here, right below where the thermistor is that I replaced, you can see how there's liquid that leaked there. There we go. See how there's a liquid that leaked there? And it leaked right onto this voltage relay. And it leaked down. I don't know if it damaged that. That's a concern. Okay. I suspect that this might be dirty and will need cleaning. Okay. See over there, there's something that leaked over there as well. I don't know what that might be. Okay. Looking on the back here. So I don't know how this machine actually operates. Like, looking at it, I'm coming to theories. And from seeing how it operates, and the other one that operated beside it, it operates under a vacuum. The vacuum is achieved by this single blower motor right here. And by looking at it, I think that the air is being sucked in through here. Okay. Oh, that could be removed. Okay. That's good. Oh, what is that? I don't understand why these gaskets are in this state. Okay. That's something I noticed on first taking it apart. So they're sucked in through here, and the magnetrons here heat up the air that then gets directed over here to some sort of apparatus that mixes. I'm guessing it mixes the air, but mostly probably the frequencies produced by the magnetron. That's what I assume. And the air gets sucked into the combustion chamber from there, I suppose, and then back out through here. And I don't know where it's exhausted. I'm assuming it might be exhausted here somewhere, but or maybe from the bottom there. I have no idea, but it gets sucked in back here. Okay, now since I pulled that one off, let's see this one. Pull this one off. Oh, the tube is holding it, so I can't really just pull it off. And there's something else there. Where is it? Okay, it's coming. Okay. Pull this off. Okay. Alright. Now this tube here is what made that mess there. And it's definitely clogged on the inside. I don't know if you can see it. It's not clogged completely, but it's definitely restricted. Probably down to less than 1/4 of an inch. Is this a new unit or an old unit? There's a hole there that's been opened. This might have been... Okay. This was been replaced. The magnetron has been retraced. Oh, I think it's the magnetron that was replaced, not the transformer. Because the transformers look like... I don't know. Anyway, maybe it's the magnetron that was replaced. Okay. I don't know what caused this tube to look like that. And I'm sure it could do with a good cleaning. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look it up on the parts manual. Okay. I don't know. I'm just doing an inspection. I don't know if you can tell me what would possibly cause these burn marks in there. Okay. So there isn't too many. There aren't too many components. You know, like on this side, you have the lower blower motor here. You have the switch for the door. You have the mixer with the intake off of the magnetron. You have this side capacitor and transformer. You have the voltage relay and something else there. Okay, so there isn't too much on that side. In the back here, you have the blower motor, the magnetrons, the transformers, the capacitors. All right, not too many components there. Okay, up here you can see there's some burn marks there. Right, I don't know what caused that. And on this side here, you can see all the components. Okay, the board looks fine. I don't see any obvious signs of any component shorts. One thing I do find strange is that spring is not sitting in the groove. It's not a significant observation, but it's still strange. I checked all the fuses; they are fine. Okay, they all have continuity. The capacitors don't show any signs of obvious failure. All right. The board was much more dirtier than that. I took a brush to it to clean it. I don't see anything else, but you can see how dirty the unit is. Right? I don't know what would cause that. I don't know if that's a problem. This one, these gears here shake for some reason, and they make a funny noise for the mixer on this side. Right? And that's pretty much it. I have no idea what this does, and I don't think it's in the parts manual, because I tried looking for it just to know what it does. I doubt there's anything wrong with this display, because it works fine. Okay, so that's my inspection right now. I guess what I'll do is I'll start from the top and work my way down, and I'm just going to clean the unit. If you can explain to me certain things, like what this is about, because look at how hot and dark it is there. Why would that burn? Are these heaters? They look like heaters. That's what that looks like to me, a heater. Right? And just let me know, okay, if you see anything. If you want me to come back and make another video to show you something specific, I do have a cheap digital multimeter. If you want me to run some tests on certain components, if you have an idea of what could cause the situation that's happening with this unit, okay, and we'll work from there. Isn't anything to show you in front of the unit? Hold on, let me pause. Okay, why I'm doing this now is I want to see where that tube, okay, that tube is there. That tube is a vent. Okay, I see. You see, I cleaned it. It's looking a lot cleaner now. You can actually see the temperature probe compared to what it looked like before. I don't know what these mixers do. It would be interesting for me to pull one apart just to have a look at it, out of curiosity. Maybe I just might do that. Maybe there's something up here. I might pull that off just to see. I don't think there is anything in there that other than that tube. But the fact that that's leaking from there, and that tube is a vent from inside here, that's very interesting. That's a sign of abuse and misuse, I suppose, right? This is sheared off here. I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah. So if you see anything in this video that you would like me to further explore, let me know. If you see anything that I need to test or check, let me know that too, okay? And we'll start from there. Once I get the unit cleaned up, okay, I'll take it back to the store. I'll plug it in and see if I can get the diagnostics. It also, the manager working there, Evelyn, I think it would be best to ask her what the code was that showed up, because she saw it as well. So she would know, at least if there was a code that showed up. As to what the actual number is, well, we would be fortunate if she could recall it by memory. If not, then perhaps if maybe you can have an idea of where these codes occur, what can probably make these codes pop up based on the scenario, and maybe you could isolate it down to a certain number of codes, and we can probably go through a process of elimination through there, you know. My goal is to just get this machine up and running again, and to do it as efficiently as possible. So just let me know, man, and that's it.